everybody, and thank you for joining me again. I do appreciate you, and today we're going to make something delicious, very easy. This weekend is the first day of summer. I believe it's in a couple days, I don't know, Friday, Saturday. And the weather has really turned hot, so it's time for some salad, some cooling dishes. Caprese salad. It's a very simple salad. It utilizes fresh tomatoes, mozzarella, some fresh basil from the garden, salt, extra virgin olive oil, and that's the basic salad. Very simple to do. I'm going to jazz it up, and I'm going to make my extra special version with 2 additional ingredients. One, this beautiful Poseidon botarga that was sent to me from the wonderful folks at Duke's Gourmet out of Cincinnati, Ohio. I urge you to check them out. They have some fantastic product. And botarga, if you don't know it, is excuse me, the salted and dried fish roe from the gray mullet. In this particular case, this is Italian Poseidon brand, and it comes from the gray mullet off the coast of Italy. We're also going to season it with this Botarga Gold seasoning. It's grated, cured mullet roe, but it is a product of Brazil, and it has a beautiful, let me roll it around, a beautiful golden color, which is gonna add something to this plate. Alright, so let's go ahead and assemble this deliciousness, and I'll show you how easy it is. We're just gonna alternate bits of tomato and mozzarella. Nice, big, thick, generous slices are the order of the day for a proper salad. Okay? And we're going to tuck one more in there. Now what we need to do is we're going to sprinkle with some fresh basil. That's the pièce de résistance for proper caprese salad. Okay, you don't want too much, you just want enough there. Okay, now I got some coarse ground Spanish sea salt. This is actually cooking salt, but it's fine. It's good for that. You can always add a different kind of finer grind if you want. And then we're going to drizzle with some olive oil. We got some Spanish extra virgin olive oil here. And there you have it. Caprese salad. Now let's show you my jazzed up wild version. And again, we're going to start with a slice of tomato, and we're going to go with some generous pieces of mozzarella. Oh yeah, I love this stuff. Ooh, that's a big piece of tomato. Okay, we'll put that one there, and we'll have a little bit of basil, which is always perfect. Okay, now as I said, we're not going to put salt on it because the botarga is salty. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a nice arrangement with the botarga, like so. And you know what, I just thought of something. If I had an anchovy, I'd drape the anchovy over there as well. And let's put 5. There you go. Okay, so now we got the extra virgin olive oil. Very good. And the crowning touch, we're going to have the Botarga Gold, and to see what a pretty color it gives. See, it's just like adding salt. And there you have it. Thank you very much for watching. Caprese salad with botarga. Enjoy, people.